UNITEC Textile Decoration Co. Limited is based in Shanghai, China. With over 2 decades of manufacturing expertise, we specialize in premium roller blinds fabric, sunscreen fabric, zebra blinds fabric, and our latest innovation, drapery fabric. Discover a world of style and sophistication with our stunning blinds fabrics collection. Transform your space today. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and design with our extensive range. Choose from a variety of patterns, colors, and textures. Indulge in the luxury of choice, from sheer elegance to bold prints, our blinds fabrics are designed to impress. Our products are crafted for durability and style, ensuring your decor stays fresh and trendy. So, wait no more. Elevate your home's aesthetics with our blinds fabrics. Redefine elegance today.